Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to become angle detectives. We'll learn some secret rules that angles always follow, rules that let us solve puzzles and find missing angles without even needing a protractor. Let's start with the simplest rule. Look at this point. We've drawn some lines from it, creating angles A, B, and C. If you were to spin all the way around this point, you'd do a full turn of 360 degrees. That means these angles, which make up the full turn, must add up to 360. This is our first key fact. Angles at a point sum to 360 degrees. Now, what if we just look at a straight line? See this line? It's perfectly straight, which means it's a half turn, or 180 degrees. So the angles on a straight line, X and Y here, must add to 180. That's our second rule. Angles on a straight line sum to 180 degrees. When two straight lines cross, something special happens. Look at the angles directly opposite each other, like this 110-degree angle and angle A. They are called vertically opposite angles, and they are always equal. So A must also be 110 degrees, and these two, B and the other 110, are on a straight line. So B and 110 must add to 180. So B equals 70 degrees. Now, let's use our straight line fact for a big discovery. Here's a triangle. If I extend this baseline and draw a line parallel to the opposite side, using rules about parallel lines, we can see that the three angles of the triangle all sit on this new straight line. That means the angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. Always. What about a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape? Watch this trick. If I draw a line from one corner to the opposite corner, I split it into two triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees, so the quadrilateral must have 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. Let's solve a puzzle using all our rules. We know this shape's interior angles. To find a missing one, we can use the sum for a triangle and the sum for a quadrilateral together. First, in the triangle, 40 plus 60 is 100, so the missing angle must be 80 degrees to make 180. That 80-degree angle is also part of the quadrilateral. So for the quadrilateral, we have 80 plus 110 plus 95, which is 285. The final missing angle is 360 minus 205, which is 75 degrees. So remember your angle toolkit. 360 around a point, 180 on a line. Vertically opposite angles are equal, 180 in a triangle and 360 in a quadrilateral. With these, you can unlock so many geometric puzzles. Great work, detectives. See you next time.